Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a video on the Discord Tutorials YouTube channel. My name's Me here. Anyway, what we're going to be going ahead and doing today is a kind of revamped video to the MEE6 one. Now, I know I only did one recently on that. However, a week or two ago, MEE6 actually did go ahead and kind of revamp, add a load of new stuff to their dashboard. The dashboard's been completely revamped, so everything's kind of a lot more simpler to handle and kind of see and set up now. Again, I'll leave the link for this in the description. I'm sure most of you will know, but you know, same sort of thing. Add to Discord, log in, select your server, whatnot, and then you will be prompted with the new dashboard. Now, as you see in the top right, you can click on old interface if you want to use the old one. However, it's a lot more streamlined. There's a few more things. It looks a lot nicer. You kind of got your main things. It's obviously separated into server management, utilities, connectors, engagement, and fun. And those are kind of separated on the right hand side as well. Your old welcome page, still here. Still as simple as it is. I don't think they added anything to this. Obviously, it just looks different. Same for custom commands. I'm not going to explain everything because I did in the last video. Reaction roles, it's the exact same, it's just a different type of thing. Moderator's the same. Now, in terms of actual new features that they've added, that's going to be, I don't believe timers was there. Statistics definitely wasn't. Temporary channels. Birthdays, I think, was new. We started using it in our server, but I'm pretty sure that's new. Economy is new. And it's not obviously not showing a new thing, but I don't remember music quiz being here. So I'm going to go into those main type of ones. Statistics, basically, you know how you've seen, like, you've got those bots for counting how many members a server has or whatnot. That's basically what this is. There's a lot of counters you can have. This will count the amount of bots you have, the amount of humans, online members, the amount of channels. You get the point. We just have peak online set up. However, that is currently just a hidden channel in the server, because obviously we don't want people to know. This one here we've set up is for the Reddit that we have. Basically just shows the amount of Reddits. To Twitch counter, as you see, it says premium, is basically just tells you how many followers the Twitch has. Same for YouTube, same for Twitter. Get the idea. A cool one they've added, in my opinion, is temporary channels. Temporary channels meaning you join a channel, it then moves you to another one. That channel's now your private channel. Cool thing about this, from what I understand, is this isn't a premium feature either. You think it would be, but it's not, and it's really easy to set up. You basically just choose whether you want a simple hub or an advanced sub. The simple one will just be simple. It will set it up for you. You probably won't be able to do any management within your thing. Advanced, as it says, customize options, roles, and permissions, and it can do a text channel. For now, we personally have decided not to do the text channel because, oh, maybe they've got it set up now. Okay, that's cool. Okay, well, before, this last one wasn't set up, so we didn't want to do it. Basically mean that only admins, mods, and users connected to the channel will be able to read and send messages in the text channel. So it's cool so that, you know, people who are in the temporary channel can have access to a little voice channel that nobody else can see, and then once they leave the channel, you know, they lose access or whatnot. When we first set up this temporary channels thing, this said soon, so I'm gonna assume they've set it up now because it's done and I can enable it. Well, that's pretty cool. Anyway, in terms of setup, this is your user limit. How many users on the limit there will be that can join the channel. Keep alive, this will be how long it takes for the channel to actually delete. If you put it here, it will never be deleted. If you pull it here, it will instantly be deleted. kind of a little timeout period. Maybe somebody leaves by accident, you don't want the channel to instantly delete. We've given them a minute, so that if they join back within the minute, the channel's not deleted. If they do not, and there's nobody in the channel for an entire minute, channel gets deleted. Ownership lock here, we've set it to 5, so that after 5 minutes, if somebody else wants to claim ownership of the channel, they can. Obviously, the previous owner of the channel has to leave after 5 minutes. Somebody else can say, you know what, I want ownership of that VC, please. It's kind of cool. This here will sync permissions of a category and channels that the temp channels are part of. Allowed roles will be obviously the roles that can actually make temp channels. You know, we've set it to boosters and supporters, which is there's a little thing people do to get that. That's what we've set it to. Maybe you want everyone to do it, maybe you want only members to do it. It again depends on your personal server setup. Banned roles. Maybe you got a certain role you don't want to make channels. Maybe your muted role, for example, or another role. Maybe you got a timeout role. Maybe you got a role for annoying people, whatever. I would go here. Again here, users with these roles will not be impacted by the commands. Basically means they're immune. Moderator roles, meaning that the people with these roles should get access to all of the temporary channels and text channels is what I'm assuming. We haven't used it. This here basically will just change the name of it. This will be the permissions granted to the owner of the voice channel, meaning the person that made the channel, that joined the channel to create it. We've given them manage channels, permissions, and move members. Manage channels allows them to change the bitrate, change the name. Permissions allows them to change who can view, who can connect, etc, etc. Move members to allow them to move people in. Text channels, this will make a text channel. The slash commands, this will allow slash commands and will make it only run in the text channel. Oh, this is cool. An embedded message, that's pretty cool. And then this is to change the permissions of the text channel, which is pretty cool. And then these here are just slash commands of the bot for the temporary channels. So you can of course change them, change who can use them, blah blah blah. You get the idea. I'm actually going to enable all of these right now, just because that is something we do want set up. Now, the last big thing is economy, which is they kind of had a level system before, but they didn't have a full-on economy system. So now you can upload an icon of the currency itself, change the name. Boosts are like a boost to the economy, you know, somebody gets a boost to earn more coins, etc, etc. Items, this is like a little shop. You can have, as it says there, 100 items in the shop, which people can buy, which is pretty cool. Games here is obviously games. Ban channels is, you know, maybe there's a channel that you don't want the economy commands to work in, you'd put them here. These here are your slash commands. Again, you can enable or disable who and when you want people to use them. You get the idea. I think that's basically all of the new items in very simple format. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard to explain. Once you get in and mess about with things, you should get the hang of it. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you a little bit more as well. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you guys slap the video a like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. But I'm going to leave you there, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys later. Peace out.